give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen. It will be blank. It will be blank and white. So if you see a white screen, you can give a thumbs up. Okay, okay, fine, great, 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 great. Thanks.
Amazing responses.
So, uh, before starting, let's just go through some quick icebreaker questions because we all are new here. We don't know each other, so let's just get a conversation through some icebreaker questions. So, though you have submitted the registration form, but we didn't get a chance to look into it. So, can you please comment in the chat box that from which college and which stream are you from and what is the background basically? We'll give you 2 minutes to respond in the chat box. So you can give in the chat. Yeah, I can see the chat. Yeah. Actually, I have muted the participants because this will maintain a decorum. So you can post in the chat box. Okay. ECE, CSE, CSE, great, CSE, great, good, Saya from CSE, Priya MCA, great. Great, great, great responses. So moving towards the next question. So this is a very crucial question. Also something funny that you are a early bird or a night owl. Basically means you wake up early and do your task, or uh, means you don't sleep at the night and what do your works at the night. Let me admit someone is coming. You can respond the chat box because uh, when I can remember in my college days that I was a night owl and I used to wake up till 3 a.m., 4 a.m. and I do my works, do codings, doing building projects. Okay. And I think, AD, you remember, right?
How can I forget that?
But situations bend, and when we have joined the companies, we have to become the early bird because we have to go to office. So,
Yeah,
okay.
Raj, that's all part of life.
Expected night owls, but we got early birds. That's great. That's great. Early birds are good. Night owls are also present. So that's a tough competition. At meet, uh, people are coming. So let me with them.
Amazing responses.
Mm-hmm. So
Online people are
night
very active.
owls, yeah, people are very much active. That's a great thing. That's all we want. That's all we want. The response is that all we want. So towards the last question, then we will start today's agenda. That is last question is that everyone talks about studying, learning, IT, coding, everything, but no one asks that what are your hobbies. So we are asking that what are your hobbies? What do you like other than studying? What do you like other than coding? Other than doing any other stuffs? For me, I really like photography, and whenever I get time, when I from my busy schedule, I go out with my mobile and I click pictures of nature, animals, streets, and I should encourage everyone that everyone should have at least one hobby. That will be anything that you can play cricket, football, you can read books. Katie, do you have anything? Do you have uh, any hobbies other than studying, working?
Uh, when I get free time, actually, I spend most of the time reading journals, new business ideas, and a little bit of stock and mutual fund related research I do in my off time.
Great, great, great. People are having Anvesha is having. Oh, Anvesha can sing, cooking, listen to music. One day, Anvesha, we will really like to listen to you singing. Sayak like to play games. What type of games, Sayak? Sayak? Online games or you are talking about playing outside? Because I am very fond of online games. Priya loves journaling, cooking. Mm, great, 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 great. Fine then. Then I think we are a very encouraging audience. We'll have a great chat in forward. If Sanket is typing something else, then we'll move forward.
Actually, that's all we want to know you better because today's session is all about you. And let's keep it interactive and fun. Right, Raj?
Exactly, exactly. That's true. Okay, so let's move forward. So, as you, many of you know, and most of you know that why I came because Prarambh is our agenda. So, what is Prarambh that you don't know, but you know what you came for? That is Prarambh. We will start with that Prarambh. So, welcome again, everyone, to Prarambh, a day that will change everything, and it's a truly career-changing journey for you.
We are very excited to have you here. Today, we are not just launching something, we are building something with you.
Right, right, Eddie. So before proceeding to the main content, me and Eddie and have a brief disclaimer for you that please do not record this session or screen capture or redistribute the content because we ask everyone for a respectful learning environment for all so that we can maintain the decorum. Okay. I hope that everyone will maintain this.
Absolutely, Raj, because this content is created with a lot of effort. And we hope you will respect that. So let's stay focused and enjoy the session distraction free.
Perfect, perfect. So let's not waste time and dive in. So coming to the authors. So this is a brief introduction about me. Who are we? So hello everyone again. I'm Raj Rudra and I work as a software developer in IMNC and I enjoy helping others and I also enjoy in learning new technologies, new things. Over the last few years, I have guided many students with the real world problems and interview preparations. And today I'm here with my friend Eddie. Uh, so, Eddie, can you introduce yourself?
Thanks, Raj. Hello, everyone. I'm Anjana Das. I also work in the software industry and I love mentoring students. I have been in your place so I understand what you need. And I'm here to help you to grow.
Great, great. So, that's a little introduction about us. And now let's move to something that every college student have dreamt of. That is dreams. So, moving forward to dreams.
Raj, do you remember our college days? The kind of dreams we had.
Of course, Eddie. Dreams like cracking the big companies, having big salaries, roaming around the glass buildings, elevators, gobbling around the free snacks what we have, and the most important thing is the shiny ID card that our seniors used to have in their collars. That was a very great day.
Exactly, Raj. 2-digit LPA is a dream of every student. But what is the reality? The tight deadlines, weekend work, low salary hikes, and sometimes even layoffs.
That's true, Eddie, but that's not the total picture of uh, the IT industry. The point is that industry have two sides, and we should be aware of the two sides. We should be better prepared for the worst case scenarios what we have. So
Then
talking about
what's
the
really
worst case
happened?
scenarios, we have the current job scenario in our front.
But Raj, what's really happening in the industry means what are some very popular questions that freshers often hear everywhere about the industry, obviously.
Frankly speaking, Eddie, in my career, in my industry journey, whenever I have encountered freshers or college students, the most important question or the most asked question they are asking is that is AI taking the jobs? Will AI replace them? Are the jobs really disappearing? What is the current market scenario? Most importantly, they come up with questions also like is English becoming the most important language for the coders? And can they crack a job in this AI market? Hello, Eddie, are you there?
Oh, okay, that's a lot of curious thoughts. I see. I was not prepared for this. Okay, I will try to answer these questions. See, Raj, for the first question, the simple and the shortest answer is no. AI is not replacing people. People using AI are replacing people who aren't. Means I think most of the questions can be answered by this, right?
Correct, correct, Eddie. Exactly, I'm agreeing with you that most of the questions can be answered by this answer. But can you please elaborate with this thing that why jobs are disappearing and why layoffs are happening?
Raj, I truly understand the concern you have. So, based on the current market scenario, whatever news we hear are true. But if you search in a job portal, you can also see multiple new job opportunities, right? But for whom those job opportunities are means the short and crisp answer is only for those who keep learning and improving their skills. Jobs will not disappear for them, and we don't have to fear from layoffs. We just need to brush up the skills. That's all we want.
Yeah, that's a solid answer from Eddie. So moving forward, we can see some scenarios like that. Whenever in the recent market scenarios in the industry, we are seeing that companies are moving towards no code, low code zone. Moreover, in the low code zone where there is no coding, everything will be in a diagrammatical format. Uh, Drag and drop scenarios will be there, and everything will be done in a uh, very minimalistic way. So why do I need coding? Why do I need to learn coding for that?
See, Raj, that's partially true. That's not all correct because business still need people who understand how to build scalable, secure, and customized solution. Means we need to scale the system. If you just write something as a prompt in the any GPT model, it will give you something random. You need to scale it right. Otherwise, the system will it will be not be it will be a very rigid system, tightly coupled. So that's a very big issue. And it's very important for a developer to understand the core business requirement so that they can customize and make the system more secure. So real world problem solving is the main thing about the job market. The job market wants that. It's not just about coding or something like a dark theme ID with a colorful syntax and you are writing some rubbish. So that's not a thing. Exactly. So we need a mind that can solve complex problems. That's actually the problem solving minds the actual current industry wants.
Exactly. Exactly, Eddie. That's the reason I think for all that questions. So we have talked so much. Let's move to a timeout session for now, and we will again do some interactions. So now a poll will come. Before that, I'm asking everyone that hearing this, what are you thinking? Means, what are you thinking this webinar will go? Where this webinar will go and end? Any ideas that what we want to communicate with you, what we are thinking, why we are here? You can open up in the chat box and put up your questions, thoughts, everything you want, because the main thing is haven't come yet. We are in the middle of the session. You can post your thoughts. Okay, I think you have got a poll that this is the this poll is not about anything serious, but the poll is how confident are you about getting your first job or switching to a new company within 6 months. So this is a reality check basically, because you need to be aware of yourselves. Okay. Means when you're opening up to a world, you should be aware of yourself, what you're speaking, what you're thinking, what you're delivering to everyone. For that, you need to be confident of whatever you are doing. So for this scenario, we have just created a poll that how much you are confident about these things. Please just post your thoughts. I think is the poll is visible to everyone or is not visible? Uh, I didn't get any responses.
Are you able to see the poll, Raj?
I can see the poll. Yeah, yeah. Somebody have responded. Yeah. If you are not confident at all, that's a good thing. If you're thinking you are not confident at all for getting a job right now at this position, that's a good thing that you're aware of yourself. Don't don't fear to express yourself, because if you fear to express yourself, you will not stand. You will not stand out. So if you are not sure, post not sure, because if you are not sure, then you are aware of yourself. Okay, please guys post some some of the. I think poll is not visible to everyone. I think is poll visible to everyone? Can you please react with a thumbs up? Okay. Shivang is saying, and others I think they haven't received the poll.
Okay, Raj, no problem. So let's continue with the session.
Okay, fine. We are continuing. So next question comes that we have told everything about the current market scenario. So now what's the solution for this huge market? You need to upskill. Okay, you need to upskill. You need to prove yourself to somebody, to the market, to the job. So for upskilling or for learning something, where do students or learners usually go for? Eddie, do you have any idea?
They mostly choose one of the options, like a traditional coaching center, a online course platform, or free tutorials on YouTube.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Now let's break it down. What are the problems with other platforms or the coaching centers or the other online tutorials?
Right. So they usually focus more on quantity than quality. The classes are time bound, and the training is the same for everyone. No personal guidance is there. And for every topic, you have to buy separate course. Today I want to learn React, so I have to buy React. Tomorrow, if I want to buy Angular or Spring Boot or something else, then I have to buy another course, right? So that's a major problem.
Exactly. Exactly, Eddie. And I think they are mostly the pre-recorded videos, right?
Exactly. Plus, there is no one to support you if you get stuck or need career help.
Exactly. This guidance is much required. But what about online courses and the online course marketplaces?
Well, you get 1,000 options, but that's the problem. Students feel lost. There is no clear direction. They don't know where to begin. Also, student shows that it actually the studies shows that the 10%, only the 10% of the people actually finishes the course because no one is there to push or guide them because they don't understand a thing and they want to complete it, they want to learn it, but there is no guide, there is no guidance. Raj.
Exactly. That's true, Eddie. That's true. And that is also applicable for the most streaming online platform, that is YouTube. Everyone will suggest YouTube, and I'm not complaining about YouTube because YouTube is a greatest platform to learn. But the main problem with YouTube is distractions. Distractions in the sense like, for example, if you open YouTube, you are watching a tutorial of 1 hour, and with after 20 minutes you get an advertisement, and after advertisements, if an advertisement come and that is a very interesting, and you click on that advertisement, you are redirected to another platform or another YouTube video, and you are spending time on there. But you opened YouTube for learning something, but you have wasted your time. Again, there are like sports videos, many things available, but people are not utilizing their time in YouTube correctly. They are full of distractions, no structure, and no depth covering of the syllabus. Also, the problem with online streaming platforms like are there is no one who can track your progress, because a student who is learning, he or her cannot track their progress manually. So they leave it halfway. And that is the main problem with the other platforms that me and Eddie have discussed. Right, Eddie?
Right. And this is exactly what we wanted to fix. And that's how our solution was born.
Exactly. So what is the better option? What is the better alternative?
Here it is. Boolean, our own structured mentor tech guidance platform.
Boolean is not just another course selling platform. It is a complete learning journey with live classes, mentors, and job readiness in focus. So now everyone will ask that why Boolean is different from others. What makes Boolean different from other platforms?
Right, because all sessions are live, no boarding recordings, and they all are taught by industry professionals. Means people from the industry who are already working in a very pressurized environment, they are directly going to teach you everything that you want. You get personal learning paths. Suppose you want to be a mean stack, MERN stack, full stack developers, data science, analytics, cybersecurity, testing, SAP, Salesforce, DevOps. You just say the name. We have the solution. So whatever you want to learn, we will give you the opportunity to learn here. And it completely focused on real job skills, not just theory.
Exactly, Eddie. So we are moving towards what we will offer, that what students will get or the people will get if they join Boolean. So our offerings lists.
Okay, let's go point by point. All sessions are 100% live and interactive. You will get personalized support from basic to advanced, guided learning for every level. You will get structured content, step-by-step roadmap, not a random unplanned videos. You will get industry level insights, means real world use cases, tools, company practices, de facto standard, right? Even progress checking, regular task reviews, feedbacks to stay on track. It will completely focus on learning space. So no distraction, no ads, just pure developer learning. And finally, developer community, a support group that shared doubts, updates, and their complex thoughts that they want to express as a developer. Everything in one place because it's a all in one subscription model. Everything included in one plan, no hidden charges.
Exactly. And this curriculum, this course, these roadmaps, everything is made by people who are still in industry, who haven't left the industry and know the pain that joining industry without prior knowledge can be a very nightmare thing. So this is a very good place. You can learn things. So, AD, what do you think?
See, let me briefly tell you the problem about today's world. Today, if you join to learn one technology and tomorrow you decide to learn something else, like today I'm learning Java, tomorrow I want to learn Python or React or Angular or cybersecurity or even DevOps, there is no extra fees. With Boolean, everything is included in one single subscription. You don't need to buy separate courses again and again. Just one plan gives you access to all current and upcoming stacks. Anytime, anytime you want to learn. If you don't like, you can quit any time you want, any moment you want.
Exactly. Huh. That's the good feature about this platform. And one thing that courses will be live, batches will learn. What you need just one subscription, and you can access as much course as you want. There is no such restrictions like I have given money and only I am accessing JavaScript course. I'm given money, I'm only accessing DevOps course. Nothing. You just subscribe to this model Number of courses are running, live running, like JavaScript, DevOps, SAP are running. You can learn anything anywhere. But all this sounds great, but the main thing that is there must be a charge for this. And as we have mentioned, there is a subscription for everything. So the question is, what will be the subscription? And will it be too expensive or so or very cheap? So now coming to our subscription,
So how much does it cost? Not at all expensive. It's just 9.99 a month and no extra charges, no hidden charges, one clear plan to everyone. What this will cover? This will cover resume preparation, mock interviews, interview question discussion, one-to-one mentorship, 24/7 available developers community, and everything, and the private grounds where we will teach you personally about the industry as a mentor, not just a random course.
yes, I want to add here like that. I want to add here like for this 999 rupees, you can access everything premium in our model. In Boolean, you are one of the invalued subscribers who can access any courses, any mentorship, one-to-one communications, and all the other features. So this is our motto. This was our plan for today's. We are almost at the end of the session. So moving toward that, how can you reach out to us? How can you connect with us? So this is our contact. You can note it down or you can get the contacts in the chat box. I think in a few minutes you will get the contacts. Yeah, you have got the contacts, right? So you can hurriedly join, subscribe, like and follow to our channels. We will be available for you for 24/7. Any doubts, you can contact us. Any uh, issues, you can contact us. Okay. So, and one more thing, we will also have a Q&A in the last. So any doubts, you can post it, but not now. Terry, do you have anything to say?
I have just posted the links in the chat box. So you
Okay.
can join the WhatsApp channel for future updates. If you want, if you feel like you want to join any course, if you want to personally discuss something with us that I want to follow a roadmap of full stack Java developer or main stack developer, you can directly mail us on contact@boolean.org.in and you can directly visit our website. There also the contact section is there. You can directly reach us by that and you can join the WhatsApp channel for future updates. And you can also follow us on Instagram, subscribe us on YouTube, and like us on Facebook.
Yes. Hmm. Okay. We are giving some time that you can join in the WhatsApp community. If you are willing to join, please join that. And I'm opening the Q&A session, Q&A poll. If anyone have any questions, can post in the chat box. Or if you want to speak out, you can raise your hand. I will unmute the participant.
If you have any doubts, you can ask us and feel free to communicate because
You should have
we are
some
here to
doubts,
help
I
you.
think. You can ask.
You can ask questions about the industry also. We can give you some industry insights if you want.
We have 15 minutes left. You can ask anything, not related to Boolean. You can ask anything about industry, about any guidance. We are open. We can help you.
Okay, we have 15 minutes left. Any questions, attendees? If you have any question, you can just react with a like, or we can just answer your question if you just post it down in the comment section. If you want, you can also ask to unmute yourself.
Yes, you can raise your hand and I will unmute.
Acha, we got a question. Raj,
Yeah.
I think we are getting questions like
Yeah,
one some
Shivang is saying, can you throw some light on scope of cybersecurity professionals in the industry? Okay, so we can give a generalized answer to these questions because not just cybersecurity, for any role like data architecture, software developer, lead architect, anything who are there in the industry, they are doing good. So they are doing well in their profession. So there is market in cybersecurity, not like that. If you can open any portals, job portals, you can see there are many job opportunities for there. Maybe they are expecting too much from a fresher, or too much. You can think that they are expecting too much from job applicant, but that can be bypassed. That can be bypassed by with the help of learning, with the right roadmap, right guidance, and we will providing that. We will provide. So so we will provide that guidance for cybersecurity, not just cybersecurity, for all the domains. We are planning to come up with some best IT professionals who will be our faculty in our Boolean. So if you get in touch with us, you will surely get insights from our WhatsApp channel and Facebook channel later. So Priya is saying same goes to
same
data
goes to the
analyst.
data analytics and data engineering profession. Which one, data analyst or data engineer?
Based in today's job market, and where who should we go with? Okay. So I'm giving a very good insight regarding this. When you will join industry, right? When you will join industry, yeah, many people think that they have a choice to work in something. Like, for example, I'm saying that you have a keen interest in data analysis or data engineering, but you have skills also, but you have given interview and you have given a basic entry level job, and they have put you in a .NET project. Okay, but the then you will think that this is not my area, I cannot work here. But the real thing is that you have to be flexible. You have to be flexible like water, and you don't have to think that I am in .NET, I cannot work, I will not survive here. You will have to survive. But keep in mind that if you have an urge to work in data analyst or data engineering, you have to take preparations for that. And for preparing for data analyst and the data engineering is not easy. You also know that. And for that, good amount of experience is required. So be grateful that you got a .NET project, you got a support project, you will have a good amount of time for preparing that. So it is not that which is best in today's job market. It is that what you want to, where you want to work, and what you want to learn. If you want to work in data analysis, work in data analysis. If you want to work in data engineering, work in data engineering. Prepare yourself for that. Okay. So, and you can work in both. You can change your domain anywhere. After working for 10 years, I've seen people they have worked 10 years in Lotus Notes. Lotus Notes is a uh, very primitive technology or legacy technology. After working 10 years in Lotus Notes, they have switched from Lotus Note to modern Power BI and Python. After 10 years of experience, 10 years of experience is a large experience. So it is a myth that no, if you are dropped in a Java project or a .NET or a testing project, you cannot come over there. So you can come over. You have to work hard. You have to believe in yourself, right? Are you happy with my answers?
Okay, any more questions?
Uh, any other question you can ask? Also, uh, for Pia, we are working on data analyst and data engineering courses. We'll also bring that. So please stay in touch. Yeah, yeah, Shivang, we will be offering no code platforms too, because our motive is not to encourage people in coding. We are here for mentorship. And as AD, have you if you have listened to the webinar carefully, AD have mentioned that we what you want, we will provide that. It is based on the subscribers, what subscribers want. If subscribers are wanting that they want to learn Power BI, data modeling, or some basic courses like Excel, if they want, we will also bring courses like that. So it is not that we will only teach coding, no code, low code, everything will be there. But not it will not be like from the starting we will launch that. We are planning on it. It's a rigorous process. Any other question? We have very little amount of light time left. Any more questions? uh, because I believe that whoever have joined today, they have a very good motive of achieving something big in their life, and that's a good thing. We have also imagined that we will achieve some great heights in our life, and you should also have possessed that, because if you dream big, you will achieve big. So whoever have joined, who have stayed this far, my heartiest congratulations and very much good luck to their career. Okay. So AD, do you have anything to say? Anything you want to answer for these questions?
Yeah, let's not just learn coding, let's just build real career together. And that's all from us today. And goodbye. Happy learning. Thank you, everyone, for joining this session. I hope you will get success in your career and you will get your dreams come true.
Uh, Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, everyone.
Uh, Thank you, everyone. And keep an eye on the WhatsApp channel. Uh, we will be keep posting our latest courses that we are launching. WhatsApp in Facebook. Also follow our Instagram handle. We are also on YouTube. This session will be recorded and it will be shared on the YouTube. If you want anyone to share, you can share. You can follow us and keep an eye on your mails. You will get mails for whatever we are planning. We'll share. Okay. So Great. We had a great evening. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you for responding back. Thank you for your time. And we will hope we will meet again some in the upcoming sessions. We will have webinars also like this. So wrapping up.
Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night, everyone.